I've got some BMW news for you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW, and I like to keep you guys up to date with all the latest BMW news. In this video, we're gonna talk about the 2024 BMW 4 Series Coupe and Convertible ordering guide. Now, this car is going into production for March. Normally, the model year switches over in July, but the new 4 Series is getting the curved display screen. Let's get into the retail ordering guide so that if you guys are looking to get one of these cars, you know exactly what the pricing is here in Canada.
Okay, so we're going to start the first page of the ordering guide, and we're going to be on the Cabriolet variant. So you're going to have the 430 and the M440 X-Drive variants. Start of production is March of 2023. Now moving into the next page of the ordering guide, we have the base MSRPs. Now, the 430 did get a base MSRP increase of $3,350, and the M440 was increased by $4,100. Now, metallic paint options seem to stay the same for the actual options of paint colors, but the metallic paint went from $895 now $900, so a $5 increase there. And the Dravite Gray, Tanzanite Blue premium metallic paints got a $50 increase and are now $1,500. Looks like the upholstery has not changed one bit. You still have 4 no-charge options between Canberra Beige, Decor Red, Cognac, and Black. Going into the Vernasca leather, it's still $1,900 or included with an M Sport package, and of course it's going to be no-charge option for the upgraded M440. The individual merino leather is still $4,200, or with the ZMP package, it's $2,750, and full merino leather only available on the M440 is $4,400. The premium enhanced package for the M440 actually decreased by $350, and the only change here that I can see is they brought back full lumbar support on both the driver's and the passenger side, versus last year lumbar support was restricted to only the driver's side. It seems like the premium essential package on the 430, similar structure as that enhanced package. We have a decreased in price of $400, and the lumbar support is back for both sides now. Now, on the Premium Enhanced package, it looks like they removed the storage compartment package, made that a standard feature, also decreased the price by $500. The Advanced Driver's Assistance pack stayed the same price, but is now back and available for the 430 after not being available for all of 2023. Looks like the M Sport package has stayed the exact same on the 430. It's a $2,900 option, and all of this is going to be standard on an M440. M Sport Pro package has stayed the exact same, $1,600 on the 430, $1,100 on the M440. Then the ordering guide goes into the standalone features. These first ones are wheels, so I'm going to skip past those because we'll come back to it later. Looks like all these standalone options, like the adaptive M suspension, the ventilated front seats, they've all stayed the same. The only thing I've noticed here is 4LN is a new one, and it is replacing the 4KK of aluminum Texagon trim, is now the new aluminum rhombical trim. That's really the only difference that I can notice here on the standard features. On the second page of the standard features, it looks like the wireless device charging went up by $500, the thermal air collar went up by $500, and the individual manufacturer paintwork has gone up. The frozen paintwork is now $6,000 versus $4,900, and just the individual is now $5,000 versus $3,900, so it looks like each one of those went up $1,100. Then we start moving into the standard features. Looks like most of the standard features stay the exact same from last year. The new code 6WC is for that curved display screen. That's really the big difference from 2023 to 2024. And then the ordering guide is going to start moving into the individual wheel options. Now, you can get each wheel option with different tires. You can see black wheels, all seasons, or high performance. These ones, I see all seasons or high performance. The 792 wheels, you can get them either run flats, non-run flats, all seasons. Basically, lots of different wheel options and lots of different tire options that you can get on the wheel. And that's pretty much the whole ordering guide for the 4 Series Cabriolet. Then we start moving into the 4 Series Coupe. Starting at the beginning, exact same. Start of production is going to be for March 2023, and with the 2 engine variants, the 430 and the M440. Now, you're going to find on the Coupe version of the ordering guide, it's going to be very similar to the Cabriolet. There was a base MSRP increase. The 430 was a $3,000 increase. The M440 was a $3,600 increase. The metallic paint options increased by the exact same price. So now $900 for metallics, $1,500 for the premium metallics. Now, the upholstery stays the exact same. Sandstech is a no-charge option. Vernasca leather is $1,900. Although on the Coupe, M Sport package does not give you Vernasca leather. And then moving into the Premium Enhanced package, it was decreased by $400. Same structure overall. You have full driver or full lumbar support versus only driver's lumbar support. The 430 packages are staying the exact same. You have a decrease of $350 on the Essential package, full lumbar support, a decrease of $500 on the Enhanced package with the 493 storage compartment package being added in as a standard feature and getting the full lumbar support. Now going back up, the M Enhanced track package for the M440 was increased by $50 from last year. Now that M Enhanced track package is going to give you upgraded wheels, as the M Technology package is going to be bigger front brake disc and the larger engine oil cooler. Now moving on in the ordering guide, the Advanced Driver Assistance package stayed the exact same price at $2,000, but is now back and available on the 430. Last year it was only available on the M440. M Sport package stays the exact same at a $1,500 price. M Sport Pro package stayed the exact same price for both the 430 and the 440. And then we move into the standalone options that you can add to the vehicle. The beginning of the standalone options is just wheels, so we're going to skip past that because we'll come back to it later. Looks like everything here is staying the exact same as last year. Now the M440 does give the option for the carbon fiber exterior package and the M carbon fiber roof. High gloss black exterior content got an increase of $50. And then we start moving into the last bit of the standalone options, the individual paintwork. That did increase by $1,100 for both individual paintwork and frozen paintwork. And then we start moving into the standard features for the vehicle. So feel free to pause this screen if you want to review all the standard features. The only thing of note is 4WC, which is the curved display screen, new for iDrive 8. In the last section of the ordering guide is going to go over the wheel options. So you'll find several different wheel options. You're going to have different tire options, either performance tires or all-season tires or run flats or non-run flats that you can put onto each variant. So feel free to pause it to review. That's all we got for the ordering guides.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, please subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, help me out. If you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're interested in ordering this car, send me an email down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.